In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up a welcome automation workflow, which will immediately greet all of your new subscribers coming from forms with an email and a discount. Using forms together with a welcome automation like this is a great strategy to increase both your sign-up rate and sales. The first step is to create a welcome automation workflow. To do that, navigate to Automation, click New Workflow, and select one of the pre-built workflows labeled Welcome, depending on the amount of emails that you want to send. If you're not sure yet, that's okay. You will be able to customize the workflow later whenever you want to. In the workflow editor, you can see that the enter condition is by default set to greet new subscribers coming from any of your forms. This includes new contacts coming from some third-party apps like Just Uno and Optimonk, and does not include any of your current subscribers. If you want this workflow to target only a specific form, you can select it as a trigger filter. Now, step number 2 is to write an email and include a discount. To do that, click on the email in the workflow editor and click Edit Content. Omnisend will save any changes you have made to the workflow, so you will not lose any progress while editing the message. Now, take your time to write and design a nice and beautiful email. This is the very first message that people are going to receive from your brand, so make sure it introduces it well and starts developing a deeper connection. A great idea is to share some background story behind your business, the mission that it's driven by, and include a welcome discount. For your convenience, we've already added the discount block to the email. All you need to do is select the desired conditions for the discount code, and it's going to be automatically generated inside of your Shopify or BigCommerce store, and then pulled into the email. For a customer, it would look something like this. In case your store is on a different e-commerce platform, you will be able to create a discount code manually. Just don't forget to add the same code to your e-commerce platform's discounts page. Next, to enable the automation, click Save and Go Back, and then click Start Workflow, and it's going to be instantly enabled for all of your future subscribers. Speaking of new subscribers, the final step is to create and enable a form to encourage people to sign up. To do that, navigate to Forms, click Create Form, select the type of form that you want to create. For this one, let's go with the pop-up. Pick a topic and layout. Edit the design and content of the form. Now is a good time to mention the discount that they're going to get as a reward for signing up. Next, customize the timing, targeting, and frequency limit of the pop-up form. And finally, save and enable the form. It will immediately start displaying on your store and collecting new contacts for you. For more information about these features, check out the knowledge base articles listed in the description.